Is
it looking good?
Yeah, something.
What?
Where are we going? We gonna play baseball or something?
Hi, Addison. You know, so many coaches there.
This is about barrel stuff me.
Was it? Circle it back.
It's flying right over the truck.
So you just gonna watch it real quick.
Heads down.
Let me take a shot. Yeah. Damn, we sucked.
Got some non-shooting fools.
Dude, that was my
What are we
first.
doing, boys?
My first shots in a while.
That's not a dove. Yo, Aiden, not a dove, buddy.
What?
That's not a dove.
Yes, it was, bro.
That was not a dove. Yeah, he shot this way and missed. It's not a dove either. One inch. Boys, yo, I think y'all should head back this way. They flew right over my head.
No, dude, those were all doves that were flying here.
Were they actually dove?
Yeah.
The one that you shot at was not a dove.
Yes, it was. I
The,
swear to God.
the only that's what you shot at. That's not a dove, bro.
I'm telling you right now.
No, I'm telling you right now. I literally saw it. It went right over my head, bro.
Hey, let's take a hunting vlog.
Ugly ass boy.
What's going on, y'all? We're out here today.
Harrisonburg, Virginia.
Harrisonburg, Virginia. I'm 0 for like 8 right now.
0 for 4, at least.
Yeah. Just gotta shake off some of the rust.
Yeah. We'll find them.
Yeah, we'll find it. I ain't even
First day out. You know, first day out. Be alright. Be alright.
Let me let some. I got one more round.
What do you think, Tom? What are your thoughts around this?
Me birds are flying. 0 down is kind of sad, I'm not gonna lie. Put off at least 12 shots now.
12? I think it's more.
It's gotta be more.
15, 20 probably.
I don't know. I think I look cool
And
though.
how many birds down? How many?
0.
Big
0.
fat 0?
But me and Jared haven't had any shots yet, so
Yeah,
like
we'll
that's
get it.
why.
Get him. Book him. Get him. Get him. Bro, there, look right there above us. Right there above us.
How did I miss? Hold up, load me back up.
What?
Walk down this road and grab the mojo. There's a big field out here we can set up in. There's a lot of birds flying. I don't see many doves.
Alright.
But they'll come in.
Last time I went dove hunting, I smoked a dove. I was going out into the field to go pick it up, and a red tail came in and swooped it and picked it up right out from under me. I was like 10 feet out from the dove and just watched it just get absolutely just taken away from me.
Here, let's call in my favorite bird. Tweet, 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 tweet.
Calling them in, baby.
Call them in. Call them in.
Let me see the gun real quick. Yep.
Oh my god.
Oh, bro, hey, who cares? Oh, there's 2 doves that just flew out right there.
Right here. Yeah, they're coming back.
And they're coming back right over top, right over top.
Here they come, here they come.
Ready?
All you, my gun's
Kidding me?
He's right here. Oh, no, that is.
Kidding me, bro?
I thought you were a good shot, buddy.
I never said that. I thought I was gonna hit. I think I was leading him way too much. Honestly, I don't know.
Oh, right here. Yo, right here.
Okay, buddy.
They were way too far.
What do you? Way too far?